Hello everyone, this is just a brief tutorial on how to access Webex from your computer. Just exactly your process to get into a meeting will be different. Hopefully somebody will be willing to do a screenshot of that to show me, to show you just exactly how you do about that. You should get a notice that there's a meeting coming up, but just for now, you'll notice here on the sidebar toward the bottom it says Cisco Webex. You click on that and it'll take you to this screen. This screen you'll see some tabs here. One says virtual meetings, one says office hours. For your benefit, just click virtual meetings and it should show you a time and a place for the next meeting that is scheduled for your class here. But you'll also notice here on office hours an opportunity that you have to schedule an appointment with me using Webex for that appointment. I hope this is helpful. We'll try to get another post for you soon on just exactly how this works. Thanks much.